These new Canva features will blow your mind. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm diving into the latest Canva updates that are seriously next level. From game-changing design tools to smart AI features, these new additions are going to completely transform the way you create content. So make sure to watch till the end. You don't want to miss this. Let's jump right in. One of the biggest and most exciting new updates, and honestly, my personal favorite, is the ability to create multi-format designs all in one single project. This is a total game changer and a huge time saver, especially for content creators and social media managers. No more switching between separate files for each platform. And if you ever need to add a new format, it's super simple. Honestly, I've been waiting for this feature for what feels like forever, and it's finally here. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Moving on to the next amazing update. Canva has introduced a brand new photo editor that you can access directly from the homepage. It includes 3 powerful tools: Auto Select, Background Generator, and Perspective Correction. Let me walk you through how they work. First, upload any image into the editor. As soon as it opens, you'll see those 3 new tools listed right at the top. Let's start with the Background Generator. Just type a prompt that describes the kind of background you want, like sunset at the beach or modern office interior, then hit Generate. Canva will present you with 4 different background options based on your prompt. Once you pick the one you like, you can match the lighting to your original image by clicking the Lighting tool. From there, you can choose between options like Balanced Relight or Maximum Relight, depending on how seamlessly you want the lighting to blend with your photo. When you're happy with the result, go ahead and download your newly edited image right from the editor. Next, head over to the Crop section, where you'll find the new Perspective tool. This comes in handy when your photo looks a little off. Maybe the angle feels tilted or something just isn't lining up quite right. With the Perspective tool, you can adjust the alignment and straighten everything out in seconds. With the Perspective tool, you can easily tilt, stretch, or adjust the angle of your image to correct any distortion. It's super helpful when something feels just a bit off-center or misaligned. Now, let's head over to the Adjust section. Here's where things get really powerful. Canva has added a feature that allows you to select specific parts of your image and edit them individually. For example, you can click on any element in your photo, then tweak its brightness, contrast, temperature, sharpness, you name it. You can also use the Brush tool to manually select an area within your image and then apply adjustments only to that section. This gives you so much more control over your edits. Even better, there are options to edit just the foreground or background of a photo. So if your subject is perfect, but the background needs a little love or vice versa, you can fix that in seconds. Here's something we've all been waiting for: photo color editing. Before, we were limited to changing colors in graphics and illustrations, but now, Canva lets you modify colors in actual photos. For instance, I selected this image, and Canva automatically detected the 2 dominant colors. I clicked on one of them, chose a new color, and instantly the background element updated. Let's try changing the second color. And boom, a totally fresh vibe with just one click. This makes photo editing not only faster, but way more creative and fun. Now, moving on to the Elements library. If you search for something like stick figures and find a design you like, you can now click on the 3 dots next to it and open the creator profile. This is super useful because it lets you explore the entire collection of that designer's graphics and photos. So if you love their style, it's easy to find more assets that match your project. Another big update is the introduction of Canva Sheets. This is a brand new way to work with data and structured content directly inside Canva. And yes, it includes AI. You can either start with a template or click on the Actions button and use AI to generate data. Just describe what you want. You'll also find a list of helpful prompt ideas right below the text box. For example, I selected a prompt to build a workout plan table. After clicking Generate, Canva instantly built a custom table based on my input. You can even add charts to visualize your data beautifully within the same sheet. This feature is super powerful. I'm seriously thinking about doing a full video just on this. Next, let's talk about animated captions. Select your video, go to the Apps section, scroll down and click on Captions, then hit Generate Captions. In just a few seconds, Canva automatically adds accurate subtitles to your video. Want to customize the look? Click on any caption, hit animate, and you'll see two brand new animation styles, highlight and snake. These styles make your captions pop and add personality to your video. You can also change the caption color right from the same panel to match your video's theme. Here's one more awesome update for video editors. If your video includes multiple audio clips, like a voiceover and background music, Canva now has a Balance All button. Just click it, and Canva will automatically adjust the volume levels to create a smooth, professional-sounding mix. Canva now also includes an AI voice generator. Yes, you heard that right. To use it, head over to Apps, then go to Audio, and click on Add AI Voice. Type or paste the text you want to convert into audio. Next, choose your preferred language or accent from the drop-down list. Then pick a voice that suits your tone. There are multiple styles available, from casual to professional. For example, let's use this fun fact. Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward? Choose the voice you like, click Generate, and Canva will automatically add the AI voiceover directly to your design or video. Want to preview it? Just hit play. Pretty cool, right? You can test out different voices to match the mood and personality of your content. It's a game changer for quick narrations, explainer videos, and more. Now, let's talk about some of the latest AI tools that Canva has added right to the homepage. When you click on the Magic Studio or AI Tools section, you'll see 4 brand new options. Design for Me, AI Image Generator, Draft a Document Code for Me. Let's break them down one by one. First up, Design for Me. This tool generates full design layouts for you. Start by selecting what type of content you want to create. For instance, I'll choose social media, then pick Facebook post as the format. Next, describe what you want, like a modern travel-themed post with beach vibes and summer colors. Hit Generate, and Canva will instantly create 4 unique design options based on your input. Not happy with them? Click Regenerate for a fresh batch. Once you find one you like, you can either customize it right away or open it in the full editor for detailed changes. Second, the AI Image Generator lets you create visuals from scratch using text prompts. You can specify a particular style, like watercolor, 3D, or photorealistic, and choose the image size. Then type in your idea. For example, a futuristic city skyline at sunset. Canva will generate 4 different AI images. If something's not quite right, you can even edit parts of the image by typing what you want to adjust. Third is Draft a Doc. This tool is like having a built-in writing assistant. Whether you need a blog post, an article, a story script, or even business content, this tool has you covered. Choose your content type, enter your topic or prompt, and scroll down for some preset examples. Let's try one. Say, a script for a YouTube intro. Click Generate, and Canva will create a full draft for you in seconds. It's like using ChatGPT directly inside your Canva workflow, which is incredibly handy if you're building presentations, guides, or social content. The last tool on the list is called Code for Me, and it's honestly quite powerful. This feature allows you to generate web apps, mini games, code snippets, and more directly within Canva. For example, I asked it to create a photography portfolio website, and within minutes, it began generating the code. It even provided a fully functional template with placeholder content that I could customize. Super impressive for a first draft, especially if you're not a coding expert but need something quick and presentable. All of these tools, whether it's design generation, AI writing, or code creation, are designed to save you time and spark creativity with just a few clicks. And finally, something so many users have been waiting for, Canva now supports multi-page websites. That's right. You can build an entire site within Canva itself. Let me walk you through it. First, add a couple of templates or create pages from scratch. Once you have multiple pages, you can link them together easily. For example, let's say you have a button on the home page and you want it to go to your About page. Just create the button, right-click on it, select Link, then choose the target page. Now, when someone clicks that button in preview mode, it takes them directly to the linked page, just like a real website. This update unlocks a ton of possibilities for creating portfolios, landing pages, event sites, and more, without touching any code. All right, that wraps up all the mind-blowing Canva updates for now. I hope you found these features as exciting and useful as I did.